The first one is data flow diagram. Data flow diagram is known as DFD. It focuses on the movement of data through the system and its transformation. It is divided into levels, various levels. The level 0 is known as the context diagram. This is the base diagram. It defines the system scope. It consists of external agents, system boundary, and the data flow between the external agents and the system. Next is level 1. Level 1 is an exploitation of level 2. It shows all the major processes, data stores, and the data flow between them. Further, we can define this by level 2 and level 3. These levels shows the details of individual processes. The data flow diagram has various notations. In data flow diagram, the circle represents the process. A process transforms incoming data flow into outgoing data flow. And then next one is data store. Data stores are the repositories of data in the system, that is database. They are sometimes also referred to as files. This is represented by two lines. There are various notations. Two lines are it is open. One end is open. Here we can if we are having more than one data stores, then we need to give some numbering here. And then data flow. The links the arrows represents data flows. Data flows are the pipelines through which packets of information flow. And then external entity. External entity are represented by square, rectangle, like that. That is a closed one. The external entities or objects outside the system with which the system communicates. This is an example of railway reservation. The railway reservation process has various steps. These steps are represented in a diagram called data flow diagram, DFD. Here, this is the 0 level of DFD. The passenger books the railway ticket with the website of railway website. This is represented in level 0, and level 1 represents the further details, and then level 2 also represents the further details. Here we can represent the individual steps and activities are detailedly represented in level 1, 2 and so on. We can create any number of such levels.